So when you need to repair some plumbing like at your holding tanks, something ridiculous like this one, there's a tool that I think will save you some time, and it's called a socket saver. So it allows you to cut off a piece of pipe and then drill out that piece of pipe from the coupler. They come in all different sizes. I'm going to demonstrate 1.5 inches here. So we're going to cut off the piece of pipe we need to cut off. And then you can see the socket saver. The center part is the guide and outside is the blade. You hook that up to a drill, and then you can drill out that old pipe out of the coupler. We're just checking the depth here. We need to go a little bit deeper. So I'm going to clean it out a little bit. And then here we can glue in a new piece of pipe. You can clean that out a little bit better. I'm just doing a demonstration here on the bench. So I hope that's a tool that might be useful for you, especially if you work on RV holding tanks. And thanks for watching.